When you look through Liu Xiaobo's writings, his poetry and his other statements that have been characterized so strangely and cruelly and embarrassingly by the Chinese Communist Party, you see this incredible sense of offering suggestions. The famous Charter 08 that he was co-author to, and many thousands of very courageous other Chinese signed on to before it was stopped. But when you read the statement, this is not angry terrorist revolutionaries. These are really highly developed moral creatures who are offering suggestions based on the Universal Declaration of Human Rights that China has signed on to, and based on a great love and respect and hope for the future of China from really extraordinary patriots within Chinese society. I think one of the great sad things here is that with a little twist of the mind, twist of thought, the Chinese government could embrace a man like Liu Xiaobo with great happiness, respect, pride that he's receiving probably the most important award that one can receive on this planet. So I'm very happy to be here to celebrate this moment. I'm very happy to be here to share it with all of you. And I think I ask of myself and the rest of us not to forget Liu Xiaobo after today. I'm assuming that these wonderful organizations who have put this together have a call to action here and ways to keep in contact, to write letters, to talk to each other, to make our feelings known, all within the framework of love and compassion and forgiveness for even the bad guys. And I think that was the subtext of what Liu Xiaobo and our other great beings who have been on this planet, is that we're all in this together, even with the bad guys. And the bad guys maybe need our love and understanding more than anybody else. So in that spirit, I think maybe we could have a moment of utter silence and think about that love and compassion and connect it to this very courageous man who's sitting in prison right now, who I'm sure is imagining himself as he might have been if he was in Oslo receiving this award on behalf of the people of China. So maybe I'm going to